we are together, learning so much fun. Say, now we are together, learning so much fun. Good morning, how are you? I am fine. Say, I am fine. Good morning, how are you? I am fine. Okay, let's start our first session with the Kidsy anthem, okay? Everyone join your hands. Join your hands. Join your hands, everyone. Close your eyes. I want to see everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Yes, very good. You are with me. You are my infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my fight. You define me. My potential inside. Today, I praise with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Okay? Done? Done, everyone? Show me your thumb. Done. Done. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. Do like this. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. Yay. Done, 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 done. Okay. Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Want to dance? What?
How can I?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I will play a song, okay, for everyone. Everyone stand up. Jump, 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 jump up high, 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 jump up high. Do. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Right side. Left side. Jump, 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 jump. Round, 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 round. Round, 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 round. Round, round, round. 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 Do. Wave, wave, wave. Shake your body. Shake your body. Shake your body. What happened, Jasna? Stand up. Stand up, Jasna. Do. Shake, shake. Shake, shake your body. Shake your body. Do, do.
Dance. The music is not audible, ma'am.
Okay.
Increase the volume file, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Now
now
it's
it's
audible?
fine. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do.
What's going on?
your body. Jump up high, jump up high, jump up high, jump up high. Touch the shoe, touch the shoe, touch your toe, touch your toe. Touch your toe, touch your toe. Up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Make a round, make a round, make a round. 2. Roll your hands, roll your hands, roll your hands, roll your hands. Round, round, everyone, round. 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 Shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. Shake, shake it, shake it. Shake. Okay. Everyone feel very tired, huh? Everyone enjoy? Show me your thumb. If you enjoy, show me your thumb. If you enjoy, show me your thumb. Okay. Just rub your hands. Feeling very tired, no? Just rub your hands and put it in your face. Again, rub your hands. Put it in your face. Rub your hands. Put it in your face. Wow, very good. Now everyone has to tell me, introduce yourself, okay? Everyone, one by one. Okay? Now first Nishwant. I want not Nishwant P. P Nishwant. I'm first asking Nishwant, okay? I pin. Okay, Nishwant, you has to tell me. Bumble, bumble, bumble bee. Tell me name your words could be. First you have to tell me your name. Say, do. Bumble, bumble, bumble bee. Tell me name your words could be. Say, my name is. Do. My name is Nishwant. Okay, and I came with the
Say, my name is.
P Nishwant. Do like this. Bumble, bumble, bumble bee. Tell me name your words could be. Now you have to tell me.
What is your name?
What is the name, Chip Papa? My name is.
What is your name?
What? Look at
Nishwant. My name is
my name.
Nishwant. Now you have to reply. Everyone, you have to reply when anyone asks you what is your name, then you have to say my name is Nishwant. My name is Jasna. Okay, like that you have to spell. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now I came with Jasna. Hi Jasna. Now you have to tell me bumble, bumble, bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Do.
Say. Bumblebee.
Do. Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me name your words could be.
My name is Jashna.
My name is
I'm good.
Jashna. Very good. Say, my name is. My name is.
Jashna.
Say, my name is Jasna. I will give you a big star then.
Start the
Star you want?
My name is Jashna.
I make ice cream for you.
Try
You
it.
want to ice cream in your hand?
Okay.
I will draw. Say, my name is Jashna. Okay, Service. Now your turn. Hi, Service. Good morning.
Morning.
Service is completed. Am I right? Okay. Now I came with Kaushik. Kaushik, your turn. Now you have to tell. Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me name your. What could be? What is your name? Okay. Tell me your father name. Tell me your father name.
Father name. Daddy name.
Father name sollu. My father name is
Daddy name.
Peanut.
what?
Peanut.
Sattavayal.
Peanut.
Ma'am could not able to. Can you please repeat, ma'am? Your
Srinivasan is Sattava.
Srinivash. Srinivash.
Srinivasan.
Srinivash.
Srinivasan.
Srinivasham. Okay, my father name is Srinivasham.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what cartoon you like, Kaushik? Tell me. What cartoon character you like? Are you watching cartoon?
Hey, rhymes can I? Baba Black. Think about it. Kaushik.
Kaushik, tell me your age. Tell me your age.
Kaushik.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. No issue, ma'am. Let it be. Let it be.
Kaushik.
Okay. Service? Nah, not. Sorry. Nishwant. Nishwant. Where's the Nishwant?
Mr. Bayer is நல்லா ஓப்பரா.
Sir, I can't able to see you. Sarvesh, where are you? Sarvesh, look at the video. What happened, Sarvesh? I can't see you. Come here, come forward. Come forward, Sarvesh. And look at me. Sarvesh, come here. And look at me. Okay, everyone, shall we start rhymes? Shall we start with our rhymes, okay? Yesterday, what rhyme I taught you? Can you please anyone tell me? Jasna has to tell me. Jasna, please reply me. Yesterday, what rhyme I taught you?
இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க? Twinkle twinkle சொல்லுங்க. அங்க
Twinkle, twinkle.
அங்க மேம் twinkle twinkle சொல்லுங்க.
Baby, oh wow, very good. And another one, who has to tell me? Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. And ABCD. I taught you, na? Shall we start with the ABCD today also? Shall we do a recap? Okay? Okay. Say, repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Now I know my ABC. Next time go with sing with me. Once again. Once again. Shall we do? Yes. 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 A B C D H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and G. Now I know my ABC. Next time go with sing with me. Okay? Okay. Yesterday I taught twinkle twinkle also, na? Okay, twinkle twinkle also we can. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, show me a smiley face. Everyone clap, clap, clap. Shall we do some activity? Are you not enjoying the rhymes? Am I right? Good activity. Stand up, everyone. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, do. Clap, 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 clap your hands like this. Clap, 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 clap your hands like this. Click, click, click your finger like this. Click, click, click your finger, 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 click your finger. Pull your chin, pull your chin, pull your chin. Okay, rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands. 2. Rub your stomach, rub your stomach, rub your stomach. Where is your stomach? I want to see. Rub your stomach, rub your stomach. Pull your ear, pull your ear, pull your ear. Pat your hat, pat your hat, pat your hat, pat your hat. Touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose. Finger on the lip, finger on the lip, finger on the lip. Okay. Who one knows the colors? Can you please anyone tell me? Kaushik, you know the colors? Kaushik, you know the colors?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nishwan. Nishwan, can you please tell me the colors? You know the colors? You know the color, Nishwan?
Yes.
Okay. So I am asking you the colors. Okay.
Color.
And you have to identify the colors with the
Yes,
rhymes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Say yes. Say hooray. Hooray. Say hooray, everyone. Hooray. See, there was the balloons in my head. Yay! See the balloons. See the balloons like this. What happened? Service. Kaushik, what happened? Why you are crying? Are you scared? Are you scared with this balloon? Who is scared with this balloon? Tell me. Who is scared? No one is scared, no? Shall we do a game? This balloon? Okay.
Okay.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi. See, balloons is saying hi. Balloons is saying hi. Say hi everyone to the balloon. Say hi everyone to the balloon. Hi, 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 hi. Okay. Everyone knows the mama finger, daddy finger. Everyone knows the. Huh? No, na? Okay. So we are doing this color fingers. Okay. Blue finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Where's the blue finger? Can you please tell me? Where's the blue finger? Where's the blue color? In my hand? Which? Where's the blue color? Where's the blue color? First one. This one is a blue color? Say yes. If it's correct, then show me a thumb. Show me a thumb like this. This is a blue color? 2. Blue finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is a blue color. What color you are wearing, Nishwan? P. Nishwan, can you please tell me? You color a blue color with t-shirt? Oh, matching, not matching. That is a sky blue and this is a dark blue. Blue color, here I am, how do you do? Okay, next, what color is this? What color is this? Can anyone please tell me? Service has to tell me what color is this. What color is this? Service? Green. Wow, very good. Clap, 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 clap. Green finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Hi, service. Balloon is saying, hi, service. Now, what color is this? Sky blue color. This is a Niswan t-shirt color. Same color. Now Niswan has to tell me what color is this. Now Niswan, please unmute your video and tell me what color is this.
What color?
Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Okay. Now, what color is this? Pink. Who like pink? I think Jasna will like pink color. My favorite color is also pink color. Jasna, tell me your favorite color. Tell me your favorite color. Jasna, pink. Pink color, you right?
Pink.
Jasna, you like pink color?
Yes. Yes.
Pink color you want? Okay, I will give it to you this pink. Okay? Okay, no. Why? Pink color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? See, Jasna Balloon is saying hi. Hi. What is the last color? Can anyone tell me? Harshit, no. Harshit want to tell me. Harshit, now tell me what color is this? Harshit,
What is that?
unmute your video and tell me, Harshit.
What
Harshit,
is that color?
where are you? What are you doing? Show. Tell me the color of this.
Kaushi, what is that color? Kaushi.
Red color. And Harshit, where is the Harshit? Harshit want to tell me what color is this? Harshit, reply me what color is this? Red color,
What is it?
red color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Okay. We do a mama finger, father finger also. Shall we do? Father finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mama finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Super.
What finger is this?
What finger is this?
Tell me. Mama, father, and what will become? Brother or sister? Brother finger,
Ni pade.
where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Now what finger will become? Sister finger. Sister finger, where are you?
Harshit.
Here I am. How do you do? And what color finger is this? This is a baby finger. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Now it's time to say color to bye-bye. Color is saying to bye-bye. Everyone, say color to bye-bye. Say color to bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Did you like this color rhymes or not? So show me your thumb, everyone. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb like this. Show me thumb. Thumb. Show me your thumb. Yes, I like. Okay, show me a smiley face. I want to see everyone's smiley face. Okay, Jasna, can you please scared me? I want to be a scared. How will feel I scared? Do like this. Oh.
Madam, why would you
Boomer color. Kaushi, boomer. Kaushi.
open it?
Do.
Open it.
I want to feel scared. Do everyone. Who will do this? Most will be do this. Huh? Who will do this?
Lions.
First will we do this? Okay, shall we do? If you happy and you know, clap your hands.
Happy.
Okay, everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. And we do. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you everyone clap. Dude, fast. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Everyone stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. Everyone feet. Stamp your feet. Everyone, how do you feet? I want to see everyone. What happened just now? You went back. Come forward and do. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, pat your head. If you're happy and you know, pat your head. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, pat your head. If you're happy and you know, turn around, turn around, everyone turn around. If you're happy and you know, turn around. Show me the turn around. What happened, Kaushik? You have to stand up and do. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, say hooray, hooray, say hooray. If you're happy and you know, say hooray. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, say hooray, hooray. Do everyone hooray. Hooray. Harshit, what happened? Okay. Shall I do a Baba Black Stick rhymes? Shall I sing? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. Say yes or no. I want to see. Baba Black Stick, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my day. One for my little boy who lives down the lane. Do like this. Baba Black Sheep, heavy and evil. Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 packs full. One for my master, one for my day. One for my little boy who lives down the lane. Did you enjoy, everyone? Show me your thumb, show me your thumb, show me your thumb like this. Show me your thumb, show me your thumb. Show me your happy face. And show me your thumb, show me your happy face. So a big smile. Give me a big smile. A big smile. Give it to me a big smile. I want to see her big smile. Okay. Who will sing for me? Wheels on the bus go. Who knows very well wheels on the bus go round and round? I also sing with them. Who will sing with the wheels on the bus go? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Who will do? Who will do this? Who will do this one? Who will do this one? Kaushik want to tell? Kaushik, do. Kaushik, I want to also sing with you. Kaushik, do. Who want to do? And others also can join with you. I also join with you. Others also can join with you. Show me. Do. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The door on the bus go what? What door? What door is doing on the bus? What door is doing? The door on the bus go open, open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus go what? What door is doing? Tell me. Open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The pipers on the bus go squeeze, 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 squeeze. The pipers on the bus go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze all through the town. The light on the bus go on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. The light on the bus go on and off, on and off, all through the town. The motor on the bus go. What motor is doing on the bus? Motor on the bus go broom, 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 broom. Broom, 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 broom. The motor on the bus go broom, 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 broom. The motor on the bus go broom, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus go. What the baby on the bus do?
What does it will do?
The baby on the bus go wah, 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 wah. You are a very good babies, na? You don't cry, na? You always feel smile, na? Always doing smile, na? You are a good baby. See that baby is crying. The baby on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The daddy on the bus say, the daddy on the bus say, what say? I love you. I love you. I love you. The daddy on the bus say, I love you. All through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yay! Everyone clap, 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 clap. Okay. Now rhymes will be over. Now everyone has a pen and a pencil and notebook. Whatever you have, take it. What you have? Do you have any rough note or what? Book? Any notebook, take. Pencil, what you have, a crayons or pencil, what you have? Show me first. See, I have also. See, I have also like. Do you have like this? Do you have a pencil or crayons? What you have? Show me. Show me, show me, show me. And once again, you draw a big circle and scribble inside. Do a big circle. See, I'm doing a big circle. A big circle. See, did you see a big circle? Did you see a big circle? Draw a big circle. A big circle. And scribble, scribble, scribble. Do, and show to me. Do and show to me. Do and show to me. Draw a big circle. Show to me. Who is finished? He finished? Wow. Show to me, show to me. Wow. And scribble inside. Scribble inside. Scribble inside. Do scribble or coloring. Do scribbling. Scribble. Do scribbling. Nicely scribble. Kaushik, do scribbling. Nishwant, do scribbling. Both Nishwant has to do scribbling. Both Nishwan has to do scribbling nicely, scribbling. Ah, very good. Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
Open.
Do scribbling.
Good, Kashi, good.
Do scribbling.
That's okay.
Who finished? Who finished? Show me. Show me. Do scribbling nicely. Scribble inside. Do scribble. Wow, wow, very good. Everyone doing very good. I saw everyone. I saw her face. She was smiling. She's smiling. Nishwant is smiling and doing. Wow. Wow, very good. Nice scribble. Now you have to do one line like this. Do a one line like this.
Line one. Also standing line.
Standing line put. Do on that page only. That page only. Do.
Very good. Parakalavathiko standing line.
Yeah, do one standing line like this. Again, scribble inside the circle. Again, scribble inside the circle. First, you draw a line and do scribble inside the circle.
Mundaru. Ah.
Everyone finish the standing line. I want to see everyone finish the standing line. Wow. Now sleeping line. Sleeping line. Like
Standing.
do the sleeping line. Sleep, slightly sleep. Do a sleeping line lightly. And again do the scribble inside the circle. Again do the scribble inside. Again do the scribble inside. Yes. Show me, everyone show me. I want to see.
Very good. Understand.
Show me. Show me, everyone, show me. Show me, Jashna, show me. Show me. I want to see. Jashna, wow, very good. I give a big star for Jashna.
Let's start.
An ice cream for you, okay?
Please, thank you, Sulu.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. My grandma.
Ice cream for Jashna.
Thank you, ma'am.
And star for everyone.
Thank you, Sulu.
Thank you. Oh my.
Wow. I'm clapping for everyone. I'm clapping for everyone. I'm clapping for everyone. Okay?
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Who replied me thank you? Who replied me thank you? Nishwant, you replied me thank you. Thank you. I also reply you thank you. Okay. Okay, tell me what I taught you today. Tell me what about rhymes I taught you. What activity we do today? Can anyone tell me? Or I will tell you.
ABC.
4 rhymes we taught you, na?
Rhymes.
Wheels on the bus go round and round. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Another rhymes. What? A, B, C, D. And Baba Black Sheep. And what activity we did? Identify the colors. We did nicely, na? We did very nicely. Identify the colors. Everyone draw also very good. Very a big circle draw. Everyone. Very nicely you draw. What happened, Nishwan? You want to tell me anything? What happened, Harshit? You want to tell? You want to say anything? What you want? What? What you want? Tell me. Tell me what you want. What you want? Tell me. Okay. Now everyone show me a smiley face, sad face.
Smile, smile, smile.
What is a smiley face?
Smile. Smile, smile.
Show me a sad face.
Chill, why is
No one has a sad face, na? Very good. No one has a sad face. Everyone has a smiley face. Now I'm very happy to look at you. Very smiley. Daily you have to do smiley like this. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is the day today? What is the day today?
That's
What? Thursday. What is the day today? What is the day today? Thursday is the day today. Thursday is the day today. What is the weather today? Very hot outside? Is it very hot outside? Yes or no? Yes. Show me your thumb. If hot weather is there, then show me that. Show me the thumb. What is the weather today? Sun is the weather today. Hot is the weather today. Sun is the weather today. Hot weather, na? So you have to drink a lots of water because so much hot, na? So you have to drink a lots of water. Okay? Tomorrow is a what day?
right.
Tomorrow is a Friday. We do some activity. Okay? What we do? Tomorrow we can do a activity, matching and sorting activity we can do tomorrow. Okay? We have so much fun of tomorrow. Okay? Are you excited about tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Say yes, say yes, say yes like this. Wow, I'm also excited about tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Now what we tell me anyone ABCD rhymes for me. Who will sing with me? I want to know.
Yes.
Harshit want to sing. Harshit want to sing. Right. Jet. Wow, very good. Now Harshit turn. Harshit, now you have to tell me. I want to sing. No, you don't want to sing. Why you don't want to sing? You don't like me. You don't like me. Why you don't like to sing? Parents, please switch on the video. Harshit mom. Harshit mom. Harshit mom, can you please switch on the video? I want to see. Harshit, you don't like video. Harshit, you don't like me. Sorry. Okay. Jasna or Sarvesh, your turn. Now you have to sing with. Sing for me. Wow, very good. Now Harshit, your turn. Sorry, Sarvesh, your turn. Sarvesh, your turn. Tell me. Where is Sarvesh? Sarvesh went. baby.
Yeah.
C.
சரி.
Next
A
time.
mummy teacher.
அழகா.
Oh. A for what? Apple.
Apple.
Wow.
Tell me.
B for? Okay, everyone did very good. Clap for everyone. Clap, 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 clap it. Clap it for everyone. Okay. Now we have to close the session. Okay. Now what we have to do? I have so much fun. I have so much fun. You have so much fun. I have so much fun. You have so much fun. I have so much fun. You have so much fun. You don't have fun? So sing. We all have so much fun. I have so much fun. We all have so much fun.
Yeah.
Parents, tomorrow we conduct an activity, matching and sorting activity. That any color of 3 socks, any color. Put any 3 color of socks, that is pair socks, and 3 vegetables. Any like potato, onion, and tomato. This 3 vegetable we want for activity tomorrow for matching and sorting activity.
Vegetable and what else, ma'am?
3 matching socks, pair of
Sock.
socks. Any 3 color, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll post it in the WhatsApp group, ma'am, today.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. No one has to say me goodbye. Who will say goodbye to me?
Goodbye. Sir.
Goodbye.
How you say goodbye? No, not like this. I don't like this.
Goodbye.
Give me a proper way. Goodbye like this. No. I don't want to say then goodbye. No. I don't know. Say wave your goodbye, Radha, and show me a smiley, a big smiley face. Then I will allow you go. Bye. Otherwise, I will not.